No bones about it. Fossil Fest came to the Orlando Science Center Saturday, and paleontologists of all ages had a dynamite time. I'm Caitlin Deneen, and this is Sentinel News Now. Dinosaurs, dinosaurs, dinosaurs. The center's already impressive Dino Digs exhibit was only amplified with special displays from the Florida Fossil Hunters Club.
Caitlin Deneen, did you know the Apatosaurus took only 10 years to reach its full size? 75 feet long and 23 metric tons. Do you know how big 23 metric tons is?
No, Jordan Crumbine, I don't know how big that is.
It's about 2 tons less than 25 metric tons.
Saturday's event featured kids' crafts and special education sessions for even the littlest of dinosaur fans.
Caitlin Deneen!
Yes, Jordan Crumbine.
In 2004, scientists discovered actual tissue and blood vessels inside a 68-million-year-old T-Rex fossilized femur. This right here. Do you have any idea how huge that is?
Huge?
Very huge, yes.
Oh, okay. Oh, God. Even though there's no scientific proof that dinosaurs actually roamed Central Florida millions of years ago, dino pride was strong with the Carbonell family, who wore matching Momosaurus, Papasaurus, and Kidsaurus t-shirts.
Caitlin Deneen! While you were just talking, I drew this lovely picture of a Carnotaurus grilling in the backyard. And then there's the grill right there. And did you know that in a single bite, a T-Rex could consume 500 pounds of meat?
Yeah. For this weirdo over here, I'm Caitlin Deneen, and this is Dino News Now.
Bum, 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 bum.
Can I get a dino? Yes, I want this one. Are you ready?
Yeah.